tramping down the highway, traveling day and night. I don't know where I'm going to, but I'll get there all right. I have no one to care for me, I have no place to go. Everybody knows I'm just a yodeling hobo. Idee-o-lee, idee-o-lee, idee-o-loo-lee. I've been all around the country, been around most everywhere, but I love that dear old sunny South, I love that Texas air. All way out where the men are men, down in El Paso, that is where they call me a yodeling hobo. All my life I've traveled, I'm Alabama bound, and now I'm always happy in a city or one-horse town. I started out to roaming 'cause I had no place to go.
Let's see if we can do a little better job here. See, I got it in the wrong place, first of all. You gotta get it down in the seam. You got some there, now I gotta melt it.
Just say that I'm a hobo and will be till I die. Idee-o-lee, idee-o-lee,
Well, I got it soldered. Now let's see if it bubbles when I put it in hot water. Not a bit. Maybe I got it fixed. Huh. Hopefully.
I'm dreaming of the trails we used to wander down in Louisiana far away. The same old southern moon is shining just to guide me home again someday. Louisiana moon, I'm